Unit 11, Wholesalers and Retailers. In this unit, we'll discuss the role of wholesalers and retailers in the home trade and describes the distinguished features of various types of wholesalers and retailers. First, let's start with wholesaler. Wholesale trade. It refers to the purchase and sale of goods in a specific variety of goods on a large scale. A trade who is engaged in this type of trade is known as wholesale trader. He buys goods in large quantities directly from the producers and sells the same in smaller quantity to those who are in direct contact with the customers or consumers. The wholesale trade constitutes a link between producers and retailers. Next, importance of wholesalers. Manufacturing companies often do not have adequate capital to employ salesmen to contact the large number of retailers. Many small retailers run their business in remote area and to contact them may be too expensive. Moreover, small retailers generally prefer to buy product in small quantities due to their limited capital, lack of market information and sources of supply. The wholesaler solves the problems of manufacturers as well as small retailers. A wholesaler can place sufficiently large order with the manufacturer keeping in view the requirement of a number of small retailers in his area. Next topic, types of wholesalers. Wholesalers may be classified on three different bases. The first one, merchant wholesalers. Merchant wholesalers are independently owned business that take title to them merchandise they handle. They are full service and limited service job or distributors. They sell products to the retailers but not to the end user. Second one, manufacturer wholesaler. Manufacturer wholesaler undertakes manufacturing of goods and sells the goods produced by others. He carries both manufacturing and wholesale business. He performs selling functions through branch offices. And third one, retail wholesalers. Retail wholesalers act as both a wholesaler and a retailer. He buys goods from the manufacturer in large quantities and sells them in small quantities to the ultimate customers. Next topic, functions of wholesalers. The functions of a wholesaler depend upon the nature of the product, deals with and the business policy of that particular wholesalers. Of course, every wholesaler must carry out the minimum function of buying, storing and supplying one or more products. Besides these primary activities, several other functions may also be performed by wholesalers. Broadly, the functions of wholesalers may be grouped as follows: assembling product, arranging storage, grading and packing, transporting goods, distribution of goods, financial, risk bearing and price fixation. Next topic, retailers. Retailing is a trading activity directly related to the sale of goods or services to the ultimate consumer for personal or non-business use. A retailer is the last middleman in the distribution channel. Any organization Selling to final consumers, whether it is a manufacturer, wholesaler or retailers, is said to be doing retailing. Retailers act as middlemen between the final user and the wholesaler or producer. Retailer trade is selling of varied goods in small quantities to the final consumer. Next, functions of retailers. The retailers perform several functions such as estimating demand, procuring goods, arranging transport, holding stock, grading and packing of the goods, deals with and selling goods in stock so as to satisfy consumer needs. They render valuable service to consumer, wholesaler and indirectly also to the producer of goods. Next topic, types of retailers. Retailers may be divided into two broad categories. The first one, itinerant retailer and fixed shop retailer. Itinerant retailer either move from house to house or change their place of business according to convenience. Again, itinerant retailers may be three types. The first one, hackers, second one, pavement traders, third one, market traders. And come to second one, fixed shop retailer. Fixed shop retailer locate their stores at a fixed place where customers can easily come and make their purchase. Fixed shop retailer trading may consist of small scale retailing or large scale retailing. Small scale retailers deals in limited range of products. For example, stall holders, general merchandise shops, specialty shops and second hand goods seller belongs to these categories. Large scale retailers establish stores which deals in and stock a wide range of product and cater to the needs of large number of customers. Large scale retailing may be of the following types: departmental store, supermarket, multiple shop, mail order house, consumer cooperative store, super bazaar, hire purchase trading, discount houses and automatic vending.